Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I've got a Hobbycraft haul for you. I went to Hobbycraft for the first time the other day. I've done an online shop with them previously and I did do a video on that, but the other day was my first ever time actually going into a store. I did try to film a little bit inside of the store. Vicky asked me if I could do sort of more of like a vlog type thing, and I tried, but I kind of feel like a knob walking around filming and it just feels a bit awkward. So I'll pop the clips in now of what I did get, but I really didn't get a lot in all honesty. They did have some really good bargains in store. There was literally so much stuff. I didn't actually buy a lot, not a lot like called out to me that I wanted to buy that day, but I'll definitely be going back there in future for more like arts and crafty bits. They also had a fantastic cooking section which I was really impressed by. So I quite like to bake. I quite like baking like big fancy cakes for like Christmas, birthdays, etc. And I was really excited by the cooking section. Literally there was so much there. It's like you find everything you could possibly ever want for baking a cake in Hobbycraft. Was well impressed. But today I'm just going to show you the bits that I did get. Like I said, I didn't buy a lot. I know Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design was quite keen to see what I got. If you haven't already checked out her channel, go and check out Glitter Sparkle Nail Design. I'll pin her link down in the comments below. She quite often does these sort of hauls at Hobbycraft, Primark, Home Bargains, Wilko, you know, all those sort of places in the UK. So if you want to find out about some good bargains that are available in those shops, head on over to her channel and check out her videos. She buys quite a lot of awesome things, ranging from like storage to beauty items to nail items to glittery things. You know, she does a bit of all sorts, so make sure to go and check out her channel. But for now I'm just going to show you all the bits that I have bought today. It's probably going to be quite a short video, but I hope you all enjoy it anyway. But yeah, let's crack on and have a look at all these bits. Okay, so this was the first thing that I got. It's a gorgeous like binder folder, and this cost me £4 and it's really big. It's a really chunky folder, you can fit a lot in there. I use these for like my glitter, my foils and like my sequin shapes and stuff for my nail art. I sort of put trading card sleeves inside of them and they're perfect for storing those things, and it's probably the most space saving solution that I found. It's super pretty, super sparkly. As you can see, it sort of goes from like a gradient. I've got like purple, pink and sort of like a teal sort of colour. It's really beautiful and I was in desperate need of a new one anyway. I just need to buy myself some trading card sleeves now, but this will hold a lot in it. So this one's actually like very similar, it's just not sparkly, but I also got this one from Hobbycraft a few months back when I done my online shop. And this one is what I hold all my foils in. It is a bit messy, I really need to sort through it. But like I said, I just get these trading card sleeves and that's what I hold all my foils in. So obviously it holds quite a lot, but this one's quite a lot smaller than my new one. And like that's okay for the moment for my foils. But what I wanted the new one for was because I've got all these, like I've put all my mylar, I've got like all my glitter shapes and everything in here, and it's just starting to get a bit full now. I've actually like I think used up every single slot and I don't like it to be sort of overly padded. So because this one's a small one again, I've got that big one and I'm going to put all of these in my big one, get some more trading card sleeves, and I should be able to hold a lot more. But yeah, for £4 I'm very happy with that one. And then I've got some sweeties, some fruit salads. I love these as a kid, and blackjacks. I recently brought some ice lollies from Iceland and they tasted exactly like fruit salads and blackjacks. They are incredible. And I was walking around Hobbycraft and these were right by the checkout. Couldn't resist, £2 for a big bag. Super happy, and yeah, they probably bring me back to my childhood. They're like one of my favourite sweets. They are just so yummy. And then I got these. They're just sort of like metallic dots, as you can sort of see there. There's like bronze ones and green ones and gold ones. I saw in Vicky's video she picked up a few of these sort of things. They're literally 65p a pot. They did have some more. We had like biodegradable glitter. There was a whole range of different like shapes, glitters, strands, all sorts. And they're all really affordable. She get like a really big tub. I don't know how much is in there, but it's definitely bigger than like your average 5 grams. I didn't really see a huge amount that I wanted. I know Vicky picked up a few of them, so definitely go and check out her video. But I really like the look of these ones. Like I said, 65p for that pot, and I just thought they were real smart, so yeah, I couldn't resist these ones. And then I picked up these little sketchbooks, the A5 sketchbooks. They come in a pack of 3. As you can see here, there's like 3 different colours. They did have like different ranges of colours. I just picked up these ones. I'm not really too fussy about colours of notepads. But we've got the gorgeous blue one that's all sparkly. We've got a holographic silver, and then this gorgeous pink one. They're very basic. They're literally just like plain paper inside. But like if I'm planning on doing quite an in-depth nail design, I quite like to sort of have a play and sketch it out before, and just sort of tweak little things before I do it on a nail, just to sort of make sure I'm like got a good idea of what I'm doing in my head. And they're just really handy in general. Like, I've got loads of notebooks but they've all got lines in them. I don't actually have any sketchbooks, and I thought 3 for £3 is a really good deal. I'm going to pass this one on to Vicky because I know she's keen for this one, but they're really handy. I thought 3 for £3 was such a good deal, and I don't know how many pages is in each, but they look reasonable, and yeah, I'm very happy with them. I'll be using them all the time, just a very useful thing to have. So I had a look through the bridal section because they've got quite a lot of real smart like petals and stuff, and I've just recently started playing with some resin, as some of you may know, and I found these butterflies and I thought they could look quite cute. They have got little metal rods on the end of them, but I can just snip them off. But I thought they could be quite cute to encapsulate in some resin for like little palettes and stuff. There's only 2 colours in there. They did have like a really good variety. Had like gold ones, silver ones, I think just a pack of white ones. There was a good variety, but I decided to go with these ones. They're quite simple but they're super cute, and it cost me £3 for them. So this is the first one. It's quite a basic butterfly, but I quite like the little green dots on it. You can kind of see the metal wire in the back of the butterfly there. I can just get a pair of wire cutters and just snip that off, and it'll be fine to encapsulate in some resin, I would have thought. They're quite large, but they're so cute. So that's that one. And then we've got this one, which is quite basic, but I think it's my favourite out of them all. I quite like the simple things, and like one like that will sort of go with like any colour really. It's got a slight tinge of blue, but I'm sure I could put that of any colours and it'll still look great. And then finally we've got these sort of like pinky, sort of reddy corally ones with the blue dots. This one's not in the best of condition, is it? But it's okay. It's still cute. The wings are actually made out of feathers, which I thought was quite cool. So they are super delicate, but yeah, I can't wait to have a go at putting them in some resin and seeing how they turn out. I think they'll look really cute. I've got a pack of glue dots. I use these for attaching the nail that I'm painting onto the nail that's in my silicone hand, just so I'm not having to glue it on and replace the tips that are inside the hand every single time. These are quite good. You get 300 in the pack for £2, and I just think they're better than the glue tabs because they're not quite as thick. I do like the glue tabs, but yeah, they're quite thick, and these ones just aren't quite as thick, and they just work really well for a nail. I have used some of them already and I really like them. But yeah, £2, 300. They will last me a good while, I should hope. And then I got this multi-pack of tissue paper. As you can see, there's a huge range of colours, and it's just one of those things you walk past it catches your attention just because look at all the colours, they're beautiful. But this was £1.25 for this whole entire pack of tissue paper. As you can see, they're acid free, and they're approximately 50 centimetres by 70 centimetres. And I got these because I quite often send like friend mail to my other nail friends and stuff, and like I do like to try and make it look a bit prettier sometimes. I'm sort of trying to work on my sort of appearance of my items. And also I am actually planning on starting up my own little sort of shop soon. It's in the works. It's taking me a bit of time, but like I don't want to jump straight into it. It's in the works, it'll be coming soon, but I can't tell you guys when. But very exciting times ahead, and I'm trying out tissue paper. So yeah, it was only £1.25 for this pack though, 20 sheets, and yeah, I thought that was such a good deal, and I'm just obsessed with that range of colours that I don't want to open it up because it's just so pretty with all the colours. But yeah, £1.25, I thought that was a brilliant deal. And then I've got a Limp Roller, nothing exciting. I've just had it sat on my sofa, so it's just picked up loads of fluff. But this is £1. As you can see, it's got quite a lot on it. I've already ripped quite a lot off because I've been using it quite a bit since I got it, because I went to HOBBYCRAFT about a week ago now. But yeah, this is really handy because I use my silicone hand for doing my nail art on. It's really prone to picking up the tiniest of little hairs, and specks of glitter really stick to it really bad, and it just gets messy quite quickly because silicone's just really prone to just picking up everything. Like it can get quite messy. So I do wash my silicone hand under soap and water like all the time. Generally every time before I start filming a set of nails I will give it a good wash. But this is really good for like when I'm sort of doing like sugaring of nail, using glitter and stuff. I sort of roll this over it and it just picks up all the rubbish. Plus once I finish doing a set of nails and I want to take a picture again, I sort of use this to sort of pick up all the little bits that I sort of got on it whilst I've been doing the nails, just sort of clean it up a bit. But yeah, it's really handy for £1. Like if you're looking for a good lint roller, there you go, Hobbycraft, £1. And then I've picked up this pack of brushes. It's a 5-piece set. I'm not really too sure why I bought these, but I just looked at them and I know that they would come in really handy at some point for something, because I always find myself needing brushes for something. So I grabbed these ones. They're really pretty, multicoloured with glitter in the handle, all different sizes and shapes. They had a massive variety of loads of different brushes, and I thought these ones were the more interesting looking ones. And yeah, I just thought they're different. They're £3 a pack, and I'm sure they'll definitely come in useful at some point. And then last but not least, I've picked up this pair of scissors. Ironically, the smallest thing out of this haul is actually the most expensive. These cost me £5.25, but they feel like really good scissors. And I just wanted some sort of straight ones. As you can see, those are straight. These are my other ones I've been using, but as you can see, they're curved ones. And I just wanted like a nice straight pair, so I picked up these ones. They do feel really good. I'm really happy with them, and I'm sort of sticking with my little multi-chrome rainbow theme that I've got going on. The only sort of mini pair of like straight nail scissors that I owned were my sewing scissors, and I'd rather keep them with my sewing kit and not be using them for nail art. The curved ones can be a bit of a pain sometimes for like cutting things like striping tape and that, like when I'm sort of trying to trim around the nail. So I've been really needing a set of these, and yeah, £5.25, but they'll last me for years and years and years, as long as I don't lose them. But yeah, I really like them, super chuffed. So yeah, that's absolutely everything from my Hobbycraft haul today. Like I said, I didn't buy too much. I actually ummed and ahed about even bothering to film a video, but I know Vicky was keen to see some bits that I got, and I thought some of you might be interested. There's some really good deals at Hobbycraft. If you're just like looking for like storage supplies and stuff, Hobbycraft is amazing. Like I said, the baking aisle, like if you're into baking, then Hobbycraft is absolutely fantastic. I was absolutely amazed, and I'll definitely be going there probably towards Christmas time, because I always like to bake a nice Christmas cake or cupcakes or something. I always do baking at Christmas and create pretty things, so I think I'm definitely going to be going back there for their baking stuff. They have loads of stuff for the kids as well, like there's a massive range of like different sort of toys and kits and stuff for children, which is brilliant, and loads of like bridal stuff, and there was just a bit of all sorts, paint, like loads of acrylic paint, like brushes, they're literally everything. It's a good store. I'm really chuffed that I went down. But yeah, anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this little haul. Like I said, go and check out Vicky's channel, because she does quite a lot of hauls like this as well. She shows some really good bargains. And yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And other than that, I hope you all have a fantastic day. I love you lots and lots and lots, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.